Hey guys, in today's video, I am making Lord Jhulelal ji, who is the ishtdeva of Sindhis, on this holy occasion of Chetichand. To look for an idea, I am taking these two pics of Jhulelal ji. I will try to combine them, so let's get started. Here I have drawn Jhulelal ji and done the marking from black sketch pen too, and now I am coloring their clothes with watercolors. Here is the whole look how I have drawn. Here I am using pink watercolor for their clothes. So here I have used glitter foam sheet circles which I have made out of punching machine. Also the leaves shape above is made from glitter foam sheet. Here I am coloring the lotus on which Sai Jhulelal is seated. I am also sticking those circles to the dress to make it look good. Just apply Fevicol and then stick the circles. Yes, it's a long procedure, but the outcome will also be very good. And here on the blue side of dress I am sprinkling blue glitter. First we have to apply Fevicol and then sprinkle some glitter and then blow it off. am pointing on the areas where we have to use blue glitter, and here again golden glitter foam circles on both the cuff of the dress. And here some finishing to enhance the dress. I'm using white color pencil and black color pencil, which is easily available on any shop. And here on the ground I have sprinkled silver glitter, and on these I am using glitter foam sheet circles. It is an easy way to decorate. If you don't have diamonds and some pearls, you can use glitter foam sheet. It will also look very good. Here is the whole look of poster before completing, and here I am drawing the fishes which you have seen previously in the photos. I am coloring the fishes with brown. It looked untidy, but the outcome will be good. Here I am using peach color to make the scales on fish scale. Here is the final look. Sorry for the inconvenience, as the video was shot on the portrait mode of phone. Okay, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to comment down your views in the comment section.